welcome back to Baking by Leah. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year. This week I'm going to be making a raspberry layered mousse. In my bowl I'm going to add 90 grams of caster sugar to my raspberries. You need to make sure your raspberries are frozen. I'm now going to mix the sugar to coat them all. I'm now going to leave them to one side to defrost. In my saucepan, I'm now going to add 2 eggs, another 90 grams of caster sugar, and 300 millilitres of milk. I'm now going to take my raspberries, add some into my sieve that is over a saucepan, and start to push it through to make my puree. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. And I'm going to mix it in and leave to stand for 5 minutes. I'm now going to turn my saucepan onto a low heat and keep stirring until all my gelatin has dissolved. I have to make sure I'm stirring occasionally so it doesn't set. Now my gelatin has dissolved, I'm going to pour my raspberry mixture into a bowl and place my custard on the heat. I'm going to cover the mixture and place it in the fridge for 1.5 hours. In my bowl, I'm going to whip up 600 millilitres of double cream. cream into 2 bowls. I have now taken my raspberries out the fridge. I did stir them quite often while they were in the fridge so they didn't set. I'm now going to add it into my whipped cream and fold it in carefully and slowly. In my bowl, I have 150 grams of ginger nut biscuits. I'm now going to crush them up. In my other half of my mixture, I'm now going to add my custard. Now I'm going to layer up my dessert. I'm going to take my ginger biscuits and create a layer in the bottom. And then going to take a layer of my custard . I'm now going to add a final layer of biscuit. Finally, I'm going to add my raspberry mixture on top. Now I'm going to place them in the fridge for 3 hours to set. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.